the 4 Rs: recover, repair, receive, and reconnect. Recover means regulating resentment, anger, and aggressive impulses. If you get so upset that you have to leave the room, recovery is always your goal. Repair requires a sincere desire to reinstate connection, and it usually calls for apology. Repair does not mean undoing, minimizing, or forgiving hurt. Sincere repair attempts recognize that hurt needs time to heal, and that healing accelerates with feelings of connection, but stops in feelings of isolation. Do not try to get temporary relief of guilt by asking your partner to forgive you. Instead, convert guilt into compassion. The guilt is self-obsessed. It's about how bad you feel, so you want your partner to get over it so you can feel better. Compassion is focused on what it will take for your partner to get better. And then when your partner gets better, you will get better. You must receive your partner's sincere repair attempts graciously. That means forgoing the right to pout, withdraw, punish, or resent. If you absolutely cannot receive a repair attempt at the moment, appreciate your partner's attempts to repair. I appreciate that you want to reconnect. I do too. I'm just not ready. Now, ultimately, we have to make a core value decision. Core value is about what's most important to you. Your connection is more important than whatever disconnected you, and you want to help rather than hurt each other. In modern living, disconnection is inevitable, but the desire and skill to reconnect make relationships soar.